Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to archive text message on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your message application on your Android phone. And just remember guys that maybe the step will be a little different between one Android phone to another Android phone. It depends on the Android version. And my Android version is Samsung. So for you who are not a Samsung user, the step maybe will be a little different. Okay, and if we want to archive the text message, the first thing we have to do is add category right here. So just tap on add category option, and we can add archive and click on done. And after that, we can select the text message that we want to archive, and we just need to tap and hold on the message like this. And after you're done selecting the text message that you want to archive, you just need to click on done right here. Alright guys, and this is the archived text message. And if we want to check the archived text message, we just need to tap on the archive category, and this is for the all category, and this is for the archived text message. Alright guys, and that's how we can archive text message on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.